Meaning of flatlet.
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 Flatlet. A flatlet is a self-contained living space that is usually smaller than a typical apartment. It typically consists of one room that serves as a living/sleeping area, a kitchenette or small kitchen, and a bathroom. Flatlets are often used as private rental accommodations for students, young professionals, or individuals seeking affordable housing options in urban areas. They can also be found in larger homes where they are used as secondary rental units to generate additional income. Overall, flatlets offer a more compact and affordable housing option for those seeking independent living arrangements.